Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our Toyota Sienna. This is a side entry wheelchair mobility accessible van. As you can see, I can operate it with either one of the key fobs. If you want to come up in your power chair or wheelchair, come on in the van, it's ready to go. 30-inch wide. Come in on the van, got this rubber mat here. Leather seats, very clean inside and out. Both front seats are removable. So you could hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, remove that seat, put one up there, and you could put one back there. We have our tie-down tracks there. We give a free set of ratcheting tie-downs away with each vehicle. Very clean headliner. This is a one-owner vehicle. Actually, I believe it's a 3-owner vehicle. I do apologize. Rear air controls there. We bought this from a local Wichita family. They no longer needed it. Dash is in great shape. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. It's got the dual climate control and rear air. Heated seats, you're not going to need them anytime soon, but it has them. You've got your plugs down there for all your electronics, so when you've got everybody secure and ready to go, you can either shut all the doors here, or you can actually operate the key fob, all the doors up there as well. Push of a button, they'll slide shut. There's also keys inside, or button inside the door here to do the sliding door there as well. On the back hatch, you can either swing it shut. It's got the key fob remote, or you can do it inside. Got your spare tire there. Wanted to show you the back seat. These seats will fold down for added room. Very clean interior inside and out. I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of smoke or unusual odors in this van. Power seat works great. Let's pop over there to the passenger side. Much of the same on the passenger side. Electric seat works great. Like I mentioned, this is removable. It's got the moonroof, well, I'll show you in just a minute. Also want to show you the VIN number there. We always show the VIN numbers in our videos. There's a lot of crazy people out there doing a lot of crazy things. Make sure you see a VIN number. 3 keys and 2 fobs. Gonna fire the van up. Fires up first time, every time. You can see all the dummy lights work. So there's no check engine light, no airbag, none of that on. See, the current mile is 131,588. Let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a V6 Toyota engine, very clean. No signs of any rust, no signs of any leaks, no signs of any damage. We check these over very thorough before we buy them. Overall, very clean. This is exactly what we want. As I crawl underneath the van, very much the same, very clean. You're going to see the air conditioner. That's the air conditioner dripping right there. Very clean. So no matter who you get your van from, if you're going to buy off the internet, if you're going to buy sight unseen, make sure they do a detailed video like this for you. That's the #1 mistake people make when buying a vehicle. I'm going to do a walk around, but as I was saying, that's the #1 mistake people make when buying a vehicle. They assume things. They assume because it looks nice in pictures, or they assumed because the salesman was nice to them that it's a good vehicle. Nothing could be farther from the truth. Do not assume things. Do your due diligence. If someone's going to ask you to spend $10,000 or $20,000 on a mobility van, tell them to get out here and make you a video like this. Tell them to crawl underneath. You want to see the frame, you want to hear it run, you want to get it on the highway. And if you ask for anything less, if you demand anything less, you're asking for trouble. So people are getting burned on the internet all day, every day. Don't be one of those people. It's got tinted windows and a roof rack. So let me get it out on the highway. I want you to hear it run. Before I get the van on the highway, I wanted you to hear this the ramp. They do rattle ever so slightly. Almost all older mobility vans are going to have a little bit of rattle to the ramp in them. So it's not horrible, but I wanted to be honest with you. That's why I make these videos. I want you to know everything that I know about these vans. I am not trying to hide anything from you. So let me get it on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift. And whether you have us ship this van to you or whether you come in and pick it up, we've done our due diligence. We've had this van inspected by 3 mechanics. We've made sure that it is roadworthy. With that being said, this is a used vehicle. I strongly recommend buying a warranty with any used vehicle. Engine strong, got us up to about 67 miles an hour. A little bit of traffic out here. I'm going to back it down. Cruise control works great. The steering wheel is nice and straight. This van cruises very nicely down the highway. I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans, Ask yourself, do these other companies, do these competition, do these individuals, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? Because reputation matters. Do they look at our Google reviews, see all the nice things people said about us? If you're going to do business with someone that has questionable reviews or not many reviews, you're probably asking for trouble. Buying a vehicle is tough enough, as you know. You do not want to do business with shady individuals or a shady dealership, I promise you that. Also, we get out, we make these videos. As the owner of the company, I'm crawling around on the ground when it's 102 degrees out. I want you to know exactly what you're getting. We do not try and hide anything. These are all things you cannot see unless you get a video. Also, we don't have any hidden document fees, no tag fees, none of that hidden. If someone's trying to hide money from you, what else are they trying to hide from you? Let me give it a hard brake. My hand's not even on the steering wheel. It brakes nice and straight. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noises. And back to my point, if someone's going to hide money from you, if you're going to ask for $500 in a document fee or a tag fee, that's no fee. They're just adding that onto the price to try and make their prices look good online. If they're going to hide money from you, what else are they hiding from you? And as I mentioned, I'm the owner. I'm out here crawling around on the ground in a 102 degree day so you can see what you're getting. That's the difference between doing business with the owner and doing business with a used car salesman. A lot of those used car salesmen, they're going to be working somewhere else in a month or two. They move around, they jump around. They honestly don't care if you get a good deal. They don't even care if you know the truth. All they care is about that commission check. Well, folks, I'm the owner. I care about our reputation. I care about repeat business. I want you to tell your friends, your relatives, your neighbors about us. And I want you to say Affordable Mobility Solutions put a whole lot of work into marketing their van to show me exactly what I'm getting. And they treated me right. And that's what I want. That's the difference between doing business with a used car salesman and the owner of a company. You really want to do business with a used car salesman? So, check us out online. Check out our entire inventory at www.mobility316.com. Give us a call anytime. If you ever want to come see a van, please make an appointment with me. I know your time is valuable. I don't want to miss you. Give me a call. 316-518-4377 is my cell phone number. You can call or text that anytime. You now have the owner's cell phone number. Try to get the owner's cell phone number of one of those big companies. Do they care about you enough to give you the owner's cell phone number? Find out. Ask them. See what they say. Also, I wanted to show you the moonroof real quick. Works like a charm. We've checked everything in this van. Everything works great. The heat, the air, the windows, the power locks. Everything seems to work just exactly as it should, which is exactly what we want. You can also just give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. I will most likely answer the phone. My name is Jeremiah. If I do miss your call, please leave a message and I will call you back as soon as possible. We do have financing available for some of our older vans like this. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call me today.